You are so Indian. That is what my friend Michael told me when I bought one of those 6 things which we will be covering in today's video. So, let's just get straight into this. To start with, first point is, you have a Costco membership. You must be thinking, what this guy is talking about Costco in this conversation. Let me explain you. अगर आपकी फैमिली बड़ी है, फैमिली ऑफ 4, बच्चे हैं, पेरेंट्स हैं, मेक सेंस. यू गो देयर वंस इन अ मंथ, बल्क बाय करा और आपको पता है क्या चाहिए. यू कम होम, ऑल गुड. इफ यू आर सिंगल, यू आर विद योर गर्लफ्रेंड, मेरे लिए इट्स ऑलवेज अ वेस्टेज. फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज यू बल्क बाय. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मुझे डोरिटोस पसंद है. यू बाय द डोरिटोस ओवर देयर. यू कांट बाय अ सिंगल वन. 10 का पैकेट आता है, 15 का डब्बा आता है, and you buy there, you get bored. बाकी के आप खाते नहीं हो. You don't eat that. Second thing is about fuel. Makes sense. Fuel is the cheapest over there, but please don't spend more fuel in order to save less. So yes, that's my perspective towards Costco. Second point is, if you own a Mazda or Toyota or even Mustang, let me explain you how. हम इंडियंस खरीदने से पहले सोचने की पहले करते हैं. हमारे दिमाग में बस यही आता है, इसकी रीसेल वैल्यू कैसी है, इसकी कॉस्ट ऑफ एक्सपेंस कैसा है, इसकी सर्विसिंग चीप है. ऑल दीज थिंग्स वी थिंक अबाउट दिस थिंग ओनली एंड देन वी डिसाइड टू बाय इट. तो एंड देन स्पेशली अबाउट द कलर्स, बहुत ही न्यूट्रल कलर्स खरीदते हैं हम, सिल्वर, वाइट और स्काई ब्लू, ताकि रीसेल अच्छी हो जाए. अबाउट द मस्टैंग थिंग, It's bloody expensive in India. अब तो बंद भी हो गई है. So that is one thing कि young लौंडे आते हैं बाहर, सोचते हैं कि यार it's a cheap, affordable sports car, American one. So we think about कि ठीक है यार, अपना सपना पूरा करते हैं. Let's buy this muscle car. And especially if you see these Bollywood songs and Bollywood movies and Punjabi गाने, Mustang ही तुम्हारे को दिखेगी. And that is one influence. So that's my perspective. Next, Indians cannot say no. They always say, maybe I will try, etc. मना नहीं कर पाते हैं किसी भी चीज को. You go to India, तुम ऑटोमोबाइल की शॉप पे चले जाओ, किसी की चीज पे चले जाओ कि भैया ये कर दो, वो कर दो, वो कभी मना नहीं करेंगे. हो जाएगा, हो जाएगा, हो जाएगा, but last day they bail out. That is one thing I have realized here. If you have an invitation to come to a party but you're double booked, you will still say yes, or maybe you won't say that I'm double booked, so I'm sorry, I won't be able to make it. But नहीं, हम थोड़ा सा करते हैं कि यार अगले बंदे को बुरा ना लग जाए, ये वो. But please trust me, start saying no and you will make your life easier. So yeah, that's my perspective. Learn to say no if it's no. The next one, you wear Skechers. That is where my friend Michael pointed out on me when I was wearing Skechers back in days. Let me explain you. No doubt, Skechers are the most comfortable shoes. I know this thing better than Nike. But the reason is, हम इंडियंस हमेशा कंफर्ट लेवल ढूंढते हैं. जस्ट बिकॉज फिटनेस लेवल अच्छा नहीं है, ज्यादा चल नहीं पाते हैं, दैट्स वेयर वी लीन टुवर्ड्स कि यार चलो स्केचेस खरीदते हैं क्योंकि वो कंफर्टेबल है. बट ट्रस्ट मी, दे आर नॉट द वेरी बेस्ट लुकिंग शूज इन द वर्ल्ड.
What happened to your feet?
What do you mean? These are my 407s.
Oh, they're 407s. Can I see them?
Yeah. These offer a lot of support.
Right.
Whoa, come on!
What are you, in a fraternity?
Are you insane? These are fine.
They're not fine. You have a mom button. Is that what you want?
Why don't we just go to the Gap? You know what? They have us. Okay.
Cal, be better than the Gap. Be better than the Gap. Say it.
Be better than the Skechers.
I'm better than the Gap.
Moving to the next one. Pronounce these 2 words. Did you just say mortgage and plumber? That is an Indian thing. It's called mortgage and plumber. Mortgage and plumber. Let me tell you a secret. I have a startup called propertymates.io, and mortgage is a very common word used there. मेरी एक्स गर्लफ्रेंड ने मुझे करेक्ट किया था and I used to pronounce that mortgage. उसने मुझे बोला कि पारस, hey, mortgage नहीं होता है, mortgage होता है. That was one of the secret I learned. But learning never stops in life, right? Last and the 6th point is nodding your head to say yes or no.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Is it a yes or a no? A nod of approval or a false headshake? The answer can be all of the above. The yes wobble, the no wobble, the maybe wobble, the what's up wobble, the I understand wobble, and the wobble to acknowledge someone's presence.
We as an Indian, people get confused whether this thing is yes or no. Yes is this, no is this. Or if you find it difficult, at least mention yes or no so that they understand whether it's a yes or no. It's a very common thing, but it's okay. These are the 6 observations मैंने notice किया है, which are very common. If you have something which I missed and very curious about, just comment below and I'll respond to that thing. Until then, stay curious, stay motivated, and don't forget to subscribe and like. And I'll see you in the next video.